Welcome to the class, dear student. This is Angita from the race classes. Today we are here to discuss about the topic money. Children, money is very important thing to survive. And now, as per your age, that means class 5, 4th and 5th, you must be aware about the dealing with the money. What type of symbol you are using, what type of values they are having, as well as which operations we are going to use in while dealing with the chapter money. Clear, no? So, I think most of you are aware from your childhood only the different units, or you can say the different value of money. Like somebody is going to give you the, I have some money in my hands, I'll show you. You can see. See, this is your which rupees money. I'll just show you one by one. What is this? What is the amount? You can guess. With the color you can identify. This is your 10 rupees coin or note. It is not your coin. This is your 10 rupees note. Money can be adjusted in two forms. One is your coin as well and other is your note form. So this is your 10 rupees note. Clear? I think you can see from here, from front and back. The shape back side something different shape is given and front side something different shape is there. Clear? Next I'll show you another one, that will be your 20 rupees. This is your 20 rupees. You can identify from here and there it is written 20 as well in a short form. Clear, no? Backside also the shape is different. So this basically my intention is to go with that. At least you must identify, or once while seeing the videos you will recall that same. This is your, what is the amount? Okay, fine. This will be your 50 rupees. Good. Very good. Now next again I'll show you. This will be your 100 rupees note. This will be your 100 rupees note. Clear? So here you can see the color of every note is different. I'll arrange all the notes properly, like I'll arrange 100, 50, 10, 20 together. One by one I'll show you. You can see, no? So I'll arrange one by one, like your 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees as well as 100 rupees. And you can see the difference. It's very easy for you to identify. And you know already, I know my children are very smart. So they can read these things by their own. But then also I just want to focus these things. You can see the color of this is your 10 rupees. This will be your 20. This will be your 50. This will be your 100. The color of the notes are different. Understood, no? These all are having their own values. If somebody is going to ask you in 110 which one is bigger, I know all my children can give the answer that of course 100 have the higher values as compared to the 10. Before, in previous era, we were dealing with like paises also we are having. 10 paise, 20 paise, 25 paise, and when we are combining like 100 paise, then we form 1 rupee. Clear, no? Previous long years ago, now it is not in a working condition. Now this money, that coins has been banned already. So now the bigger values of the coins has been increased. You have seen 10 rupees coin, 20 rupees coin, like that. The values are increasing day by day for the coin as well. So these all are just the things to give you the brief instructions about topic money. I hope you understand. There are certain notes. We have many notes like 200, 500 as well as 2000. Before and few years back we are having 1000 note also. But now it is banned. Clear, no? Basically we are not coming here to discuss about the notes. We are just making you the outline of the chapter. Clear, children? So afterwards, can you please tell me what type of representation we are having for money? Or what type of currency we are using? Currency means note that I have shown you. So what type of currency? You know the currency? What type of currency we are using? Okay. If somebody will ask you currency of India, what currency we are having? Okay. We are using the currency as rupees, or it can be written as rupees. It's very easy. I am starting from the basic one. Understood, children? It's better for you to go with. Got my point? Now next. What are the key, or you can say what are the topics we are going to cover for this chapter? So your heading is what? Topics covered. While dealing with class 4th and 5th, I think these things are which I am going to tell you in this chapter will be sufficient for you. Clear? Like first point of yours is you are going to learn about, first you know about rupee, paise, its conversion as well as different way of representation that we are going to deal with. Do you get my point? Like first point, we are going to focus about how we are going to write rupees and paise. Like first we are dealing with writing a representation about rupees and paise. Clear? Second of yours, can you guess what we are going to learn in this other one? Conversion of, first you are going to learn about writing, second you are going to learn about conversion of rupees and paise. Then we use various operations. Operations, we are having how many operations? 4, no? Operations, that will be your divide, multiply, plus and minus. What we are going to do? Used to solve the problem. To solve the problems. Clear, children? I hope you understand from here. And last point which we are going to deal in this topic will be your use of money. I can just write in short form. Use of money means we can use this in real life situation as well for calculation. Sometimes we can use with multiplication, sometimes with dividing, and then or we can go with plus and minus symbol as well. It totally depends on the use. Every day this money can be used in our own way, and that we have to understand and go with it. So these all are just the short concepts which are going to cover in this. Now we are going with the detailed discussion on the topic. Hope you understand the same. So please just be aware and get ready to start the topic. Here, money can be written in 2 ways. I am going to erase this. What is the currency of India? That will be your rupees. Short form only I am dealing here now first. Like first you will write, it can be, it means what? Money can be represented or written and presented in words or digits. Its representation can be done in these ways. Clear, no? Now next of yours is how we are going. For example, I'll let you know, if I have written, simply you can write rupees. This is your first time. Rupees 20. I hope it is visible to you. This is the first way of representation. If it is written like this, rupees 20.50. Can you please identify the difference between these two? Here you are having fresh 20 rupees. There is no choice of paise. Clear, no? But here we are having 20 rupees 50 paise. And from your previous knowledge, I know everybody know about it, that 1 rupees will be equal to how many paise? We are having 100 paise. That means the value of rupees is equal to your 100 paise. Like in previous one we are having different conversions of meter, centimeter and all. Here we are going to deal with the conversions of money. Clear, no? These two are the ways to represent. Can you please tell me how we are going to write in other way, or what is called this one, what is called this one, what is called this one, what is the difference? Or what we can write is as, we can write this as rupees. If I have to write in words, I can write rupees, or I can write in first way 20 rupees 50 paise. This is my first way. Now another way I can write in this one is your complete word. I'll write 20 rupees. Like it can also be represented as per your syllabus, it is given. That's why I'm teaching these things also. 20 rupees 50 paise. Do you get my point? 20 rupees 50 paise. Clear? So these all are just the instructions like how to represent the money. First of all, if somebody is there, if you have to convert, this is your first point which we are going to deal with. Another point is, if somebody is going to give you the question that just write about the conversions of money. Like for example, if it is written convert, if this will be your first question, convert rupees 10 to paise. Now 10 is your bigger unit and paise is your smaller unit. So what you are going to do? You know already, since what you know, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Clear, no? So what you are having here, therefore, rupees symbol can be written in both the ways. This way also, children, please don't be confused. Rupees 10 equal to 10 multiplied by 100. In 1 rupees we are having 100 paise. So in 10 rupees we are having how many paise? 1000 paise. This is just the explanation form, and here we have used operation multiply as well. Do you get my point, what I want to explain from here? Do you get that? Okay, fine. These all are just the conversion for short form. I will just go with it. Now I am going to tell you that we are going to use here the number to the left side. This is what? This segregate your rupees to paise. This side part of yours will be your rupees. Clear? And this will be your paise. Now you can say from here, this is your which side, left or right? This will be your left side. Left side to the dot is going to represent your about rupees, and this right side of dot is going to represent about a paise. Clear, no? These all are just the representation. Please don't be confused. Again and again I am telling you, don't write that 50 rupees 20 paise. No. Which is given first will be your rupees, and just this will be your decimal point. And after decimal, whatever the value is written, it is smaller than the actual one, and that can be represented in a form of paise. Clear? Okay, fine. So these all are the things. Please click a screenshot of this one. Okay. The next is given we have to use different operations for solving the chapter money. Like for example, I'll let you know. If it is given like your rupees 19, you have to write in paise. Rupees, I hope you have taken the screenshot. Now let's erase this one. Clear, no children? Please let me know if I am teaching in a hurry. You just inform me through the comment section. Then I can reduce my speed. Okay. I think that these all are your already taught topic that you have learned in previous class. This is just the recap. That's why I just go with the first way. Understood? Now next of yours is given. We have to use operation. Like first point of yours is given like write as a paise. Few questions form. Write as paise. One question already I have discussed. Like first is your rupees 24. You have to convert directly into paise. So what you will do? What is your priority? What you are going to do? Good. You know already 1 rupees. This I am explaining in long form. Later on you have to do it short form. Within a second only you have to complete. 1 rupee is equal to your how many paise? Okay, 100. Therefore, 24 rupees equal to what? 24 multiplied by 100 what? Paise. And what you will get from here? What you will get? 2400 paise. Here you are having 2400. Easy. In spite of going with this long much process, I think Just calculate these things in your mind and directly you can write the answer when you know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Like this one. Clear, no children? Sometimes you have done, you just make a mistakes while dealing with it. Sometimes you use the wrong operations. Because of that, your answers are incorrect during exams. So please keep all these things in mind while dealing with the problems. Next problem which we are going to write as a rupees. Now, second part, if it is given, write as rupees. Please try to understand. If your question is given 500 paise, but the question is given 500 paise, or in spite of that big letter you can go with the small as well. 500 paise equal to rupees dash. Clear, no? You know already? Okay. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Therefore, 1 paise equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. If I have to find this, so what I have to do? I have to divide the operation. Like that means 500 upon 100. When it is going to divide, we will cut this. What we are going to get the answer? 0 is being cancelled. This 0 is being cancelled to this one. What is left? 5. And 5 is what? Your rupees. 5 is what? You can write here rupees 5. Rupees 5. Clear? These all are just your short instructions about it. Next, we are having the use of operations for addition as well. Clear? What we are having this use for addition as well. Like second operations which we are going to use from here will be your first type, second type. Now we are dealing with third type. We are using addition. I'll just take few examples from your book which is given. Like if your question is written like you have to add the number. Clear, no? And question is written like this. In your book, the symbol of rupees is given like this. Both ways correct. 13.25 added with 11.25. Here we are going to use the sum as plus. Clear? Now when we are using the sum plus, what I have to do? Directly we are going to add. Now add. 5 plus 5 we are having 0. 2 plus 2 we are having 4. 4 plus 1. Here your carry left will be 1. That will be your 5. Now please cut. Already we have written here. Then put at this dot symbol. Clear? Put this dot symbol. Now what you are going to write? 3 plus 1 we are having 4. Understood? Now 1 plus 1 2. So what is your answer? Your answer is rupees 24.50. Clear to you now? Other operations if you are going to use for a longer units. This one is using for short unit, no? If you are going to use for a longer unit, for example, again I am taking another example. Rupees 112.50 rupees through 20.25. Clear, no children? Now please add. What you will get? When you are going to add these numbers, now please see, 0 is added with 5. 0 plus 5 you will get 5. 5 plus 2, what you will get? What you will get? Yeah, 5 plus 2 you will get 7. Next, when you are having 2 plus 0, you are having, yeah, good. 2 plus 0 we are having 2. Clear, no? Now 2 plus 1, well done, it's very easy for you to write. And 3 plus 1, 2 plus 1 3 and 3 plus 1 we are having 4. Our answer is first 432.75, and here we are using the symbol of addition. Clear? This is the first which we are going to use as an operation, that will be your addition. Clear? Now please note it. I'll give certain questions also at the last. Clear, no? Now other operations which we are going to use in this will be your subtraction. If your question is going to be asked from here, I think that part you have done. Okay. So while we are using the term addition, you have to add. While we are using subtraction, we have to subtract that one. Like second of yours is there. Fourth part which we are dealing with is your subtraction. Homework I will give you at the last. Okay, children? I'll give certain questions in the last that will be done by you and your answers will be given in comment section. Subtraction. First question in this will be your. Now, please note it down from that addition part. Don't be confused that I have written the addition and then you are thinking that where you have to write for the subtraction. If your question is there 95.25 subtracted from 84.50. Clear? Now here you are having other number. That means what? This point is going to segregate your rupees to the paise and paise separately. Clear? Now when we are going to add or subtract, we don't have to add now. We have to subtract the operation from here. Clear? When you are subtracting 5 with 0, what you will get? Very good. Simply you will get 5, no? So here when you are subtracting, you will get 5. And when you are subtracting 2 with 5, is it possible for you to subtract? No, not at all. So you will just borrow and carry from this place. Clear? What you will get? When you are borrowing the carry, you will get here 12. And when you are subtracting 12 from 5, what you will get? Yeah, you will get 7. Clear, no? Now, that 5 have given one, borrowed this one, then what number is going to left here? 4. And when you are subtracting 4 from 4, what you will get? You will get 0. But do you think I am doing justice here? No. Because I have not put this decimal point here. So please don't forget to put this decimal point. Otherwise, all thing you have done, if you are not segregating rupees in paise, that also you will lose your mark. Clear, no? Now here, I have given one carry. What is left here? Yeah, 9 minus 8. What you will get? 1 is left. So your final answer is what? Here we are going to mention the symbol of rupees as well as it is given. Simple addition, simple subtraction we are doing. There is no hard and fast rule for this one. Do you get my point? Okay. Now B of yours is given, children. Another one. Let's discuss about like 149.50 minus rupees 130.75. Clear, no? Simply we are going to write the same. Hope you understand. 5 minus 0. Not possible because we have to subtract from top to the bottom. When you are subtracting 0, 5, 5, what you will get? Do you get any number? What you will get? Okay, fine. So you will get something different. Now your 0 is not being subtracted from 5. So what you are going to take? You will take a carry from here. This is cancelled. Then you will take a carry from here. It will be 10. Now 10 minus 5, what you will get? 5. Clear? Now what is left here? If you have given 1 to that one, here it will be 4. And 4 is going to borrow 4. We cannot subtract 4 with 7. So it is going to borrow 1. And here it become, here it become your 14. Now this is cancelled. 14 minus 7. You will get 7. Again, please don't forget here. You will just apply this dot. And then here what is left? One carry it have given. Then in place of 9, 8 is left. Understood, no? Now here 4 minus 3 we are having 1. And 1 minus 1 we are having 0. No need to write it. And here you are going to mention the symbol. So your answer is what? 18.75. Clear? What is the symbol we are going to use here? Which operation? We are going to use here symbol rupees. This is your second pattern. First is your addition, second is your subtraction. In that fourth part. Before that we have done the conversion of that one. No? Clear? Understood? Now let's go with the other two pattern. One is your multiplication and other is your division. Short form I will take. Clear? As per your class, if you are going to take the short form of this one. Now let's go with it. If your question is written, fifth one, multiply. What is written? Multiply. Easy one if I take rupees. What rupees? 36.50 by 3. If your question is written in this format, clear, no? Then what we are going to discuss? Simply you have to multiply this number like this, rupees 36.50 multiply by 3. Now what you will get? When you are multiplying 3 with 0, you will get 0. 3 5s are 15. Carry will be 1. You will note down this carry here. Now 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1 we are having 19. Again your carry will be cancelled because we have added this side. When you are going to add your carry, then please cancel this one. Otherwise you will be confused. In examination also most of you are adding and then also leaving like that. Then your marks will be reduced. Clear? Now next, 3 3s are 9. 9 and 1 we are having the carry, that will be your 10. So your answer is what? Rupees. See, I am using both the symbol one after the another. There is no hard and fast rule for this one. Do you get my point? You can use the symbols like that. If I am going little faster, please let me know. Do you understand this one? Will it be okay for you to go with? Fine. And last operations is your division. Division. Please note it down. Please note it down fast. If your question is there, divide rupees 312 by 6. What is written? Divide 312 by 6. Clear, no? Simply, don't put your brain much in that. Use that same operation. Divided by 312. I hope it is visible. Clear, no children? Now divide 6, 3. It is smaller. Take both the numbers. 6, 31. How many times it will go? So that it will be less. 6 5s are 30. Now 5 times it will go and here you will get, what you will get? 1 minus 0 you will get 1 and here you will get 0. Again I am going to copy this one and what we are going to get? 12. How many times it will go? In table of 6 you are getting 12. How many times? 2 times. That means you are going to write here 6 2s are 12. And when you are cutting this both, what you will get? You will get here 0. So when you are dividing 312 by 6, your answer is what? Rupees what? 52. Clear? Or you can write here also this side. Your answer is rupees 52. Clear? Basically, all operations we are using and the method is same. You know, everywhere addition, subtraction, multiplication and division method is same. Only the operations are changed. It is similar. It's something we have done in fraction also, in decimal also, here also. And like that we are going to discuss for all the operations. For money we have discussed most of the operations, children. Now I just plan to discuss any other part of yours or like other part we are having in this topic will be your time. So we will have the deep discussions on time as well, and if otherwise if some questions are left from here, then I'll make it to solve the other video. So just keep watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.